What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to charge credit cards on Stripe. So let's get started. So first head over to the Stripe's website, and then if you already have an account, just simply sign in with that account, or if you don't have it, create a new one. And after creating a new one, you will be redirected to the homepage of Stripe. So after coming to the home pages on the left side, you see the payment links. Click on this and then you just need to create a new payment link if you don't have, but if you have a payment link, that's well and good. And after that, you need to click on invoices here on the left side, and then you need to click on create test invoice. After that, you will be redirected to the invoice editor page. From here, you need to enter all your invoice details. Here in the invoice details, you need to enter the customer and then you need to choose the currency. And after choosing the currency here in the payment collection section, you have two options to request a payment and which will be in the due days. But if you want to schedule a send date, click on this and then you just need to select a date, and after that you just need to schedule it. And after that, when the scheduling of the date is done, here you will see the option of part, Klarna and link, and this is how you can charge a credit card to your customer on Stripe. So that was all for this video everyone, and when you're done you just click on confirm invoice. Thank you for watching.